Amid the recent cryptocurrency meltdown, JASMY coin declined to the all-time low of $0.0083 on May 12, according to CoinMarketCap. However, the native token of a data protection protocol rebounded quickly and gained more than 56%, and was trading at $0.01171 at the time of this video. However, it was still trading more than 99% below its all-time high price of $4.99, achieved on February 16, 2021. Lately, the market has been in a state of upheaval, and the majority of coins, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, declined progressively during the previous week. While BTC reached its 52-week low of $26,350, the world's second-largest coin, Ethereum, declined to its 90-day low of $1,748 on May 12. Is the market headed towards a heavier downside and a long crypto winter, or is this a period of a severe market correction? Will the price of the JASMY token continue to uptick, or will it decline in the coming days? Let's consider the project's fundamentals and the latest JASMY coin news to get a clearer outlook on what might be a plausible JASMY coin price prediction. Please consider subscribing to this channel. According to JASMY's white paper, the internet connects all types of gadgets and people, making lives simpler. However, owing to the proliferation of several media channels and internet portals, user data is no longer private. Consequently, numerous businesses own valuable data created by users' daily activities. The JASMY platform seeks to restore each individual's data ownership so that everyone can use their data safely. We aim to realize a data democracy by building a decentralized, democratic world where data is protected as inherently owned by each individual. To accomplish this, JASMY merged blockchain and Internet of Things technology to create a platform that enables users to safeguard their data in a personal data vault. The data remains the user's private property. The network employs the interplanetary file system, which combines a secure knowledge communicator and smart guardian technology to secure the system from cyber threats and malware. Smart Guardian is one of the fundamental services used by the JASMY protocol to enable simple and safe registration of IoT devices on a dispersed network that the device owner can access. Meanwhile, the SKC function conducts identity verification and registration, enabling users to authorize and track transactions. When users sell their preferences to companies, they get JASMY coins in exchange. These coins can be used for capital gains or to purchase goods and services. The JASMY token is the native currency of the JASMY protocol and is used as a medium of payment for different network transactions. JASMY was built on the Ethereum network and operates as an ERC20 token. It is used in the following ways by companies to use user-owned data stored in a data locker on the JASMY platform, for investment, which will create higher demand for data utilization and accelerate data democratization. The project has shared several important updates lately, which may affect the JASMY token price. JASMY established a strategic security partnership with Slowmist Technology in September 2021. Slowmist conducted a security audit on JASMY coin, which passed the vulnerability and safety review of all its evaluation mechanisms. Slowmist is a provider of comprehensive security solutions emphasizing smart contract audits. In the future, JASMY will deepen its collaboration with Slowmist and continue expanding into key international exchanges. As of May 18th, the JASMY cryptocurrency has been listed on multiple crypto exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, Huobi, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bybit, Bitfinex, and Kraken. In January 2022, JASMY announced that it's ready to promote its business outside Japan and establish an international presence mainly in North America and Asia. The company is going to build alliances with companies focused on blockchain and AI technology. JASMY collaborated with Seigen Tosu, one of the top teams in the Japanese Football League, in September 2021 and became its sponsor. In May 2022, JASMY announced that it has started designing and developing a fan token NFT using the JASMY IoT platform. In April 2022, JASMY partnered with Mystico Network, a multi-chain privacy SDK, that will help to authenticate users and devices without sharing private data to the communication network and to make IoT data truly secure and private to users. According to the company, at JASMY, we believe that the users should have control over when, how, and by who their data is used. Only when users are given full control and transparency of their data will users start being comfortable with sharing their data and make the IoT communication efficient, private, and secure. JASMY token's price action has been very volatile since its inception. Based on the earliest available price data on a chart from 2021, the JASMY token price spiked from $1.29 on February 12 to its all-time high of $4.99 on February 16, a surge of more than 286%. However, the price failed to maintain its momentum and declined to $1.77 on February 19, a fall of more than 64% from the peak. Its bearish momentum continued, and the JASMY coin bottomed at $1.02 on April 16. The price action turned briefly bullish, and the JASMY token gained over 100% to reach $2.15 on May 5. However, the bears tumbled the price to $0.011 on July 12, a decline of more than 99% from the May high. The price action remained rather flat for the next couple of months, and the token reached $0.017 on October 5. Between October and November, the token experienced a bull rally and its price spiked more than 1,488% to 27 cents on November 2. It closed the year at $0.085. During the onset of 2022, the token showed no signs of a revival. It declined to $0.011 on March 8 and collapsed to the all-time low of $0.0083 on May 12 amid the meltdown of the global cryptocurrency market. At the time of this video, June 10, the token is trading at $0.0171 and has a market capitalization of $55.6 million. Several algorithm-based forecasting services provided mixed longer-term JASMY predictions for 2022 and beyond. According to Wallet Investor's JASMY forecast, the token could be a bad long-term investment. It estimated that the coin's average price could decline to $0.000865 by the end of 2022 and $0.000485 by the end of 2025. Its 5-year JASMY crypto price prediction indicated that the token could reach $0.000484 in May 2027. The JASMY prediction from Price Prediction was rather bullish. It suggested that the average price in 2022 could be $0.013 and $0.019 in 2023. Its JASMY coin price prediction expected it to trade at $0.043 in 2025 and 28 cents in 2030. In line with price prediction, the JASMY price prediction from Digital Coin Price also indicated that the token could rise. It estimated a future target price for the token at $0.0178 in 2022, $0.0197 in 2023, $0.0261 in 2025, and $0.0622 in 2030. When looking for JASMY price predictions, bear in mind that analysts and algorithm-based expectations can be wrong. Their projections are based on fundamental and technical studies of the token's past performance. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. It's essential to do your research and always remember your decision to trade depends on your attitude to risk, your expertise in the market, the spread of your portfolio, and how comfortable you feel about losing money. You should never trade more money than you can afford to lose.